How to find low competition keywords for SEO tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how you can find low competition keywords for your SEO. This can be for your website or social media accounts. So without further ado, let's get into it. So nowadays, everyone in the business world or social media wants to rank for competitive keywords, but it's rarely impossible to rank in the short term, especially if your website is new or relatively unknown. It's very impossible for you to rank using the high competition keywords. And it's also not good for you to make use of the high competition keywords if you have a new website or if your business is just new or if you just created your social media account. Because what will happen if you will be using the high competition keywords, there will be a possibility that your audience may not able to see your content or they're not able to find you online. Because if you will be using the high competition keywords, it means that there's a lot of big businesses that already use that kind of keywords. And if your audience will be searching for that keywords, they will not able to see you, but they will see first the big businesses with a lot of audience, with a lot of visitors already from their website. If you are new, then you will be at the bottom. That's why it's not advisable for new businesses or new accounts to make use of high competition keywords. It's better to make use of the low competition keywords because the competition for that is also low and there's a high possibility that you can compete with other businesses and you can grow your business. And once you grow your business, then that is the time that you can slowly make use of the high competition keywords to compete with other big businesses. But now, how can you find low competition keywords that you can make use of as a new business for your SEO that can surely grow your business and reach your potential audience? So in this video, you will learn how to find low-hanging keyword opportunities in a few simple steps and how to make sure those keywords are truly low competition and easy to rank for your business. So if you're excited, here's our first step. So the first thing that we need to do is first brainstorming. Think about what your target audience, what they might be searching for in Google to find your business or to find your product, and then bring down all your ideas. You don't need to try to guess the exact phrases or keywords here. Just note down broad themes or some keywords you know that is connected to your business, of course. So for example, your business is online course teaching affiliate marketing. So let me just open my notes here very quickly. Just give me a moment. And here you can make use of the keywords, for example, like affiliate marketing for beginners, affiliate marketing course for free, how to make money online, and etc. There's no need for you to overthink about the good keywords or the exact keywords. Just list down your ideas, and it's good enough if you have 5 or 10 ideas to move to the next step so that you have different options to make use of. The second step is to expand your ideas with a keyword research tool. There's a lot of keywords research tool that you can use for this step. But today we will be using the free keyword research tool, which is the Google Ads. Before you can make use of the Google Trends to do keyword research. However, when we do a search here for affiliate marketing, we can see that they just provide very limited information because Google already removed a lot of things from here. So you can no longer see more information about keywords here in Google Trends. But luckily, guys, there's a hack that we can do to get keyword research on Google for free because other keyword research tool, they need monthly subscription or they will be asking for payment to get this keyword information. So to access the Google keyword research free, all you need to do is visit Google Ads or you can search it on Google Ads, and then create an account if you don't have an account yet here, and then create an empty campaign. So here I already created an account and log into my account. So this is my Google Ads home dashboard, and over here to start with your keyword research, just go up here under tools and settings, click on it. And over here you can see the keyword planner. So just click on it. All right, and here we can do our keyword research. So just click here, discover new keywords to get started. And here we can enter the product or services closely related to your business. So here we can enter our keywords or phrases that most of our audience might search in Google. So let's go ahead and go to our sticky notes, and I will go ahead and copy this one, and then let me paste it here. And by the way, guys, you can also start with a website. So here under this one, you can copy and paste the website URL or a page to find keywords that match your site. So it means that you can copy the URL website of your competitor to check what are the keywords that they might be using that you can also make use of in your own business. So let me just go ahead and go back to start with keywords. And here I will go ahead and click get results. So these are now the keywords that relevant to what we search for or what we enter here. So as you can see, there's a lot of keywords here that you can make use of. And by the way, up here, you can also change the location here. So for example, we will be targeting the location of United States. So you can just go ahead, enter the country. All right. And we go ahead and select the United States. So if you want to remove the other country, you can remove it and then just click save. And then the information or the result that shows up here will also change. And also, guys, you can check the or change the coverage of the information that you will be getting here. For example, you want the data just for the past 90 days, then you can change here the information. You just need to select the month, the year from, and then to the month and the date as well, and then just save it. So for now, we have the last 12 months. So this is the information here that we can see now. So the next thing that you will be checking here is the average monthly search. So you need to make sure that there is 100 to 1,000 of average monthly search for these keywords for you to make sure that these keywords is really working. And also the next thing that you need to do after you check the average monthly searches is the competition. So make sure that the competition is medium or low for you to make use of it, because if it's high, then it means that the competition is very high. Most of the big businesses are already use this keyword for their business. So make sure that you will be choosing here the medium or the low competition, and also make sure that it has a high number of average monthly searches as well. For example, for this one, how to earn money from home for students. They have 100 to 1,000 average monthly searches, which is good, especially for new businesses. And then also the competition is just medium. So this is the keywords that we are looking for, not this one. Like for example, how to make money online, and they have 1,000 to 10,000 average monthly searches. However, the competition is too high. So this is kind of risky for us to make use of. So we just need to stick on those medium and low competition for us to compete with other small businesses. So I guess that's all for today's video, and I am hoping that you learned something today. And if you have any question, guys, just comment down below, and thank you so much for watching.